If Chrome keeps crashing on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and effective fixes that can get your browser running again. We'll start with the simplest step, then move into the most common causes, like corrupted cache and problematic extensions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get right into it. First, restart Chrome completely. Make sure the browser is fully closed, not just minimized. You can do this by clicking the X in the top corner, then checking that Chrome is no longer running in the background. If needed, open Task Manager and end any Chrome processes that are still active. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to clear a temporary glitch. If Chrome still crashes, go ahead and restart your Windows PC as well. A full system restart can clear memory issues and refresh background processes that may be affecting the browser. Once your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and test it to see if the issue is gone. If Chrome is still crashing, the next step is to clear your cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and cause browser instability. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then go to Delete Browsing Data. In the time range, choose All Times so you clear everything that may be causing the problem. Make sure browsing data and cached images and files are selected, and then clear the data. After that, close Chrome and reopen it again. This gives the browser a fresh start and often fixes crashing problems right away. If it still isn't working, the next thing to check is your extensions. Extensions are helpful, but sometimes one bad extension can conflict with Chrome and make it crash. To manage them, type Chrome//extensions into the address bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Start by turning them off, one by one, then test Chrome after disabling each one. If Chrome stops crashing after you disable a specific extension, you've found the problem. You can leave it off or remove it completely. If you want, you can also use the Remove option to uninstall any extension you no longer need. This is especially useful if you recently installed something new and Chrome started acting up afterward. So to recap, the fastest fixes are to restart Chrome and your PC, clear the cache from all time, and disable extensions that may be causing conflicts. These steps solve a lot of Chrome crashing issues on Windows without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows and browser fixes, and comment below if you want help with any other Chrome issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.